How to make a Facebook page private invite only. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on a device and make sure that you have switched to a professional or your Facebook page. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on the gear icon, which is the settings and privacy. Then as you tap on settings and privacy, scroll down to audience and visibility segment where you can see the option of page and tagging. So tap on page and tagging and then here you can see who can post on your page. So just make sure that you shift that to only me and not everyone, and toggle off these options of allow others to view and leave reviews, allow others to share your post to their stories and so on, and also toggle on all to only me. So this will make your Facebook page private and it will not be visible to other people. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.